History is typically narrated as if the ground beneath our feet is a static stage, a solid, dead foundation for the rise and fall of civilizations. We see this in the epic scale of surface lineages, like the centuries of history following the Yadav and Ahir people. Their record of continuous survival and struggle culminates in modern flashpoints, like the 1962 Battle of Razong Law, fought across the high, jagged edges of the crust. The Hindu cosmology offered a different perspective. It described a realm called Patala, 7 subterranean layers filled with hidden oceans, magnificent jewels, and powerful multi-headed serpents. In these myths, the deep earth was anything but empty. While modern science once dismissed these stories as pure fantasy, recent technological breakthroughs suggest that the intuition of a layered, active interior was remarkably close to the truth. Because the Earth's interior is physically inaccessible, we have to observe it through sound. The planet generates a constant, low-level hum that scientists use to see what drilling cannot reach. Much of this noise originates at the surface. The relentless energy of ocean waves crashing against the seafloor creates deep, low-frequency vibrations that ripple through the entire planet. And human life adds to the signal. Heavy industrial activity and the dense crawl of urban traffic generate higher frequency seismic noise that seismometers can track from miles away. These combined vibrations travel downward, bouncing off hidden structures and deep boundaries. Seismologists use these echoes like a planetary ultrasound to echolocate the exact composition of the mantle and core. This data has shattered the image of a solid, quiet planet, revealing an underworld that mirrors the watery, complex layers of the ancient myths. Following those waves 400 miles down leads to the transition zone of the mantle, a region crushed by pressure that alters the atomic structure of minerals. In this environment, a mineral called ringwoodite becomes common. It is a high-pressure crystalline structure that behaves like a massive geological sponge. Trapped as hydroxide ions in the crystal structure, it holds 3 times more water than all surface oceans combined. Tectonic plates drag this water into the depths during subduction, while magma plumes release it back through volcanoes. This subterranean reservoir suggests much of Earth's water originated from within the planet itself, gradually bleeding out from these hidden crystalline layers. Descending further, we reach the outer core. This is a churning chamber of liquid iron and nickel under unimaginable heat and pressure. These conditions create metallic weather. Heavy iron particles crystallize and fall as iron snow, piling into massive drifts on top of the solid inner core. At the very center of the world sits the solid inner core, a sphere of iron and nickel roughly the size of the moon. Recent data from USC has revealed that its rotation is far more independent than we realized. To measure this rotation, researchers analyzed seismic waves from the most powerful repeating events in history, twin Soviet and American nuclear tests from the 1970s. These blasts sent precise pings through the planet's center. By comparing the waveforms over decades, scientists tracked the inner core, confirming a major shift. Since 2010, it has been backtracking, rotating slower than the Earth's surface. This demonstrates the center of our world is an independent sphere with its own rhythm, moving separately from the crust we live on. Seen as a single, integrated machine, the Earth's deep interior directly enables the life we see on the surface. The mantle's hidden ocean acts as a crucial lubricant for plate tectonics. Without that trapped water, the crust would lock up, and the geological cycles that regulate our climate would stall. Simultaneously, the churning of the iron core acts as a planetary dynamo. Its constant movement generates the magnetic field that loops around the Earth. That field is our only shield against solar radiation. Without it, our atmosphere would be stripped away, leaving the surface as barren as Mars. The human histories of the surface, the continuous lineages of people and the battles fought for their survival, are only possible because of this restless engine deep below. The ancient myths of Patala reflected a profound thematic intuition, the idea that the planet is alive far beneath our feet.